Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to fix dev error 12502 in Modern Warfare 3. So first thing you wanna check is head over to device manager, just like so, and then double click on display adapters for your graphics card to show. Right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. As you can see, it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. Next up, if you have GeForce or whatever you use for your graphics card, you want to open that particular app. From there, you want to head over to drivers and then make sure that your latest game driver is installed. Last but not the least, you want to search for view network connections, and then whatever you use, whether it be Wi-Fi or Ethernet, you want to right click on that, head over to properties. From there, what you want to do is you'll see this option called Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it. Now if you're on this one, you want to click use the following DNS, and then you want to type in 8.8.8.8, and on alternate you want to use 8.8.4.4, and then press OK. OK one more time, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.